Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be another unboxing video. I have two packages to open up. I'll show you what's inside and hopefully some good stuff. We'll see. I always try to get some interesting things. Also, in this video, I kind of wanted to discuss some things that I was planning to do for the channel. I'm probably, as I'm doing this video, I'm getting close to that 900 subs, so I'll be doing an announcement about that, where I will be having my contest for 1,000 subs. And the other thing that I kind of wanted to discuss is what I'd like to do is really answer my viewers, people like yourself, questions that you might have, and maybe do a video just about that, where I, if you comment on this video and say, hey, some question, whatever the question is, and then I will try to answer it. Okay, so actually this is a really unusual box unboxing because it's from a friend. So the first one is from a friend, and I will show you what it is. One of my friends is a comic artist, and he produced his own little book. It's actually almost like a comic book, but it's like a book. It's like square bound, and it's like a comic book. It's actually quite nice. You can see the artwork inside, and he might actually appear on my channel to talk about his book. So it's called The Squall. This is his first book, and it's kind of this kind of airbrush style. Very interesting. So yeah, he's a really good friend and great artist. So he gave me a couple samples of his book. I might actually even link his Kickstarter campaign in the description, so you can check out his comic. And then the second comic, and the second unboxing is this one, and this is Christmas Funnies Giant, and this one is just trying to remember what this is. Dell Giant number 7. I'm just trying to remember what was there was a first appearance or some kind of controversy about the first appearance in this comic. I'm just trying to remember which one it was. I'll have to look it up. I'll link it. I'll put who it is in the description of this video. So this is actually it's a minor key, but it is kind of an interesting one. It's from, I believe, like 1956, I think is the time frame. So yeah, just a really great, a Bugs Bunny Christmas Funnies Dell Giant, and it's the Dell Giant number 7. So kind of a cool 4-color. And as I was saying, my plan is to create this video, where if you have comments about my, things that you want me to talk about, or just questions you want me to have answered, I'm going to do a video where I'm just answering viewers' mails, basically, or comments. So please comment below. The other thing that I wanted to talk about very quickly is I have an Instagram account, and sometimes what I'll do is I'll post when I win an auction. I'll actually post that auction up on Instagram before I even do an unboxing video, because I didn't even get the box yet. It's just where I'm like excited about winning an auction, and I'll post it up on Instagram, so you can see some maybe future unboxing material on my Instagram account. So there's a lot of cool things that I'm posting up on Instagram, where it's either auction wins or stuff that's in my collection that I haven't necessarily shown on this channel. So I definitely recommend you check out Instagram. And I do try to give a little bit of information about the comics that I'm collecting on Instagram as well. So I definitely recommend you check out Instagram. And it's just Comic Collector Geek on Instagram, so it's pretty easy. Again, that'll be linked in the description. So I hope this video has been interesting. Thanks for watching, And please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.